Hey, awesome travelers. Welcome back to Travel Paradise 02. Today, we're heading into the heart of Uttarakhand, India, the land of misty mountains, holy rivers, and jaw-dropping views. Get ready to dive into the magic of Haridwar, Rishikesh, Dehradun, and Mussoorie. Pack your bags, it's adventure o'clock. Scene 1, Haridwar, where spiritual energy is off the charts. First stop, Haridwar. This city is buzzing with faith, colors, and pure river vibes. We kick things off at Har Ki Pauri, one of the most sacred ghats. At sunset, it feels like the entire universe showed up for the incredible Ganga Artai. It's lights, chants, and pure goosebumps. Then hike over to Mansa Devi Temple. You can either trek it like a champ or ride the fun cable car. Either way, the views from the top? Chef's kiss. Don't miss a stroll along the Ganga Ghat, feeling the fresh river breeze and watching life unfold in slow motion. Feeling hungry? Get ready for piping hot kachoris, syrupy jalebis, and spicy chat. That'll leave you wanting a second, third round. Night stays here range from peaceful ashrams to comfy hotels, all super affordable and loaded with Himalayan hospitality. Scene 2, Rishikesh, yoga, adventure, and vibes. Next, we zip over to Rishikesh, where inner peace meets adrenaline rush. Walk across the famous Laxman Jhula, a swaying bridge that will make you question your life choices, but in a fun way. Don't forget to chill by the Sidhu Triveni Ghat. It's where 3 sacred rivers meet, and the evening arti here is more low-key but just as magical. Feeling adventurous? Try whitewater rafting, cliff jumping, or even bungee jumping. Or just grab a smoothie at one of the riverside cafes and pretend you're a cool yogi. Accommodations? Think cozy guest houses and riverside camps that are as relaxing as a Netflix binge. Scene 3, Dehradun, caves, springs, and cool vibes. Now let's cruise into Dehradun, a chill capital city that's secretly loaded with natural beauty. First, cool off at Sahastradhara, a spot with 1,000 natural springs. Yep, it's as refreshing as it sounds. Then head to Gucho Pani, better known as Robber's Cave. It's a river inside a cave, perfect for exploring, splashing, and pretending you're in an Indiana Jones movie. Dehradun's got great hotels for every budget, and the food? Oh man, don't leave without trying hot Maggi noodles at a hilltop shack. It hits different, I promise. Scene 4, Mussoorie, where clouds kiss the earth. Last but absolutely not least, Mussoorie, also known as the Queen of Hills, and once you get here, you'll know why. Kick off your trip at Cloud's End. It's literally where the road ends, and the views begin. Perfect for lazy walks and serious Instagram flexes. Next, visit Company Garden, a charming park with flowers, paddle boats, and lots of snack vendors for all your munchies needs. Feeling adventurous? Ride the cable car to Gun Hill Point. The ride's a little bouncy, hold on to your hat, but the views of the Himalayas? Absolutely unreal. And don't miss Lal Tibba, the highest point in Mussoorie. Bring binoculars and spot snow-covered peaks way off in the distance. Scene 5, travel tips, how to get there, stay, and eat. Traveling here is easy. You can fly into Dehradun's Jolly Grant Airport, or take scenic train rides to Haridwar and Dehradun. Taxis and buses are ready to whisk you off to your adventure. Stay options, from budget hostels to fancy hill resorts, you'll find your perfect cozy spot. Foodies, this is paradise. Try butter paneer in Haridwar, vegan pancakes in Rishikesh, street momos in Dehradun, and hot parathas in Mussoorie. Outro. Happy travelers, sunsets, and laughter scenes. That's a wrap on our journey through Haridwar, Rishikesh, Dehradun, and Mussoorie. Whether you're chasing peace, adventure, or just epic views, this trip checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get more travel adventures. See you in the next video. Keep exploring, keep discovering.
तेरे संग चल मेरी चाहत है जीना अब मुश्किल नहीं तेरे बिना तेरी हर मुस्कान मेरी जिंदगी की रोशनी तू मेरी हर ख्वाहिश तू मेरी हर कहानी तेरे संग जिंदगी बन जाए तेरे संग ख्वाबों को मिल जाए तेरे संग जिंदगी बन जाए तेरे संग ख्वाबों को मिल जाए तेरे संग दिल को चुराने लगी तेरी तेरे संग दुनिया भुलाने लगी तेरे संग दुनिया भुलाने लगी तेरे संग तानी हर लम्हा मुझे तेरी हर बात पे दिल को समझाना है तेरी आंखों में खोना मैं चाहता हूँ तेरे बिना जीना मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ तेरे संग ख्वाबों को मिल जाए तेरे संग जिंदगी बन जाए तेरे संग ख्वाबों को मिल जाए तेरे संग दिल को चुराने लगी तेरे संग दुनिया भुलाने लगी तेरे संग